How did I condense an apartment closet to not even a 2x6 van closet? Today, I'll show you the art of minimalism while staying fashionable on the road. Hey guys and gals, I'm Liz Bryant, or Wild by the Mile on Instagram, and this video is thanks to your request. I think a lot of the ladies want to see what exactly I have in my closet. So this is my closet. It's not even 2 feet, it's nearly 2 feet by 6 feet, and I have hanging clothes, also hanging jewelry, and 3 bins of folded clothes. Before we dive into my closet, I want to reveal a personal story to you. So my goal this last year has been to not let myself go, to actually do the opposite, to feel more fashionable, to feel more feminine, to get that back, because in truth, I lost it. I lost this feeling 3.5 years ago when I hiked the Pacific Crest Trail. So I started in Mexico and hiked to Washington, 2,200 miles, which took me 4.5 months on the PCT. Because my body didn't know what the hell was happening, and because there's a natural reaction in women, they store weight. A few months after the trail, I continued to store weight, and I hopped on the scale, and I could not believe my eyes. I mean, I knew something was going on because I couldn't fit into my clothes, but the scale said I was 25 to 30 pounds heavier. And that was the most defeating, I think that was the most defeating day of my life, honestly. Because I couldn't fit into any of my clothes, I stayed in yoga pants all day. I even maneuvered a way to wear stretchy black pants while being on air as an NBC reporter in San Diego. When I moved out of my California apartment and started van life, I made a pact with myself. I said, this is a chance to reboot yourself, to reboot your life. My pact with myself was this: only take the best, only take the most fashionable clothes, only take the clothes that you look best in. And kind of in return, it was like the most expensive clothes that I wear. I donated all the basic and filler clothes, so you know how you'll throw on a t-shirt to go run errands. I donated all those clothes. I said to myself, this is your chance to reboot your life. This is your chance to get your sense of femininity and fashion back. So you're only gonna take the outfits that are most fashionable and that are sexy. I mandated rules upon myself. Here they are. First rule, no t-shirts. T-shirts and the bulky clothes, they made me feel sloppy, and they made me feel like I was just throwing on a clothing item and not consciously choosing. So not consciously choosing what I wore, I was kind of just going through the motions. And bulky items, essentially they made me gain weight because I couldn't feel something that was form-fitting to see if I was gaining or losing weight. Second rule, no yoga pants nor stretchy pants anymore. I'd been there, done that. I can't do that anymore. Third rule, right when I get out of bed, put on an outfit. Do not stay in my pajamas. If I stayed in my pajamas, I was more likely to continue staying in my pajamas while I made breakfast, while I did some work, and then all of a sudden I would look at the clock and it was 11 and I was still in my damn pajamas. And for me, personally, I just feel sloppy in pajamas. Party up top. My fourth rule, the clothing item has to be versatile. It has to be a versatile item that I can dress up for dinner, or I can make into a casual, chic daytime look. That way, I don't have a bunch of clothes. I have more of a mix and match wardrobe. Honestly, I have found that the less clothes I have, the more looks I actually have, because it forces me to mix and match and to change up things, to try out new outfit styles. Fifth rule, if it is in season and I have not worn it in a month, it either goes to the storage unit or it goes to Goodwill. The less items I see and I have to sift through looking for stuff, the more free I feel, and actually the more clarity I have in my head. So I try to make this space only what I use and not any filler items. I have this saying that I love: the less bags you have to pack, the less baggage you have in life. My closet has clothes for year-round seasons, but for instance, right now it's summer turning into fall. I don't have a bunch of winter clothes. When it turns more to winter, that's when I'll put my shorts back in my storage unit. I'll stock up on my heavy down jacket and a fleece. Let's take a look into my closet. A fur vest. This is not real fur. This is fake fur. And I wear this all the time. I double up clothing items onto hangers. So here is my shirt. Gosh, you could throw this on with jeans, or I have black leather leggings. And here is a romper. This is a cardigan made out of alpaca. It's from Free People. Most of my outfits are from Free People. And then some more summer shirts. This this black tank top. The other store I shop at other than Free People is Nordstrom. So this is from Nordstrom. You can kind of see by now that everything is able to be dressed up or dressed down. You can also see everything is inside out. This is a shirt I can wear to work in, to film in. A lot of you have liked this tank top. It's from Free People. You can see up here I have a few hanging necklaces. This is more of a fall plaid shirt. Another shirt. And here is a dress. It's a wrap dress that I've worn to film television episodes with. I didn't have any earrings in the van. I actually bought these earrings for Burning Man. The first drawer is dedicated to workout clothing, swimsuits, socks, bras, and underwear. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tanks. For the workout bottoms, I have a pair of yoga pants, 2 pairs of shorts, another pair of yoga pants, and a skirt. I have a 1-piece swimsuit and a 2-piece swimsuit. As for pairs of socks, 6 pairs, 3 bras. These go under more sheer shirts. The second drawer are everyday clothes, bottoms and tops. So 1 pair of regular jeans, 1 pair of black jeans, 1 skirt, white pair of shorts, jean shorts, black shorts, a pair of overalls, black leather leggings. I like to wear bodysuits because they work well with yoga and they work well with pairing up a more feminine outfit. So technically, I have 3 t-shirts. One's a vintage cute one, one's my friend's store, and one is it's like a casual white tee. These shirts I wear to work in, so they're stretchy, form-fitting. Here is a dressy shirt, dressy blouse that wraps around, and 2 white shirts. The third drawer, more cold weather gear, lounge pants, 4 sweaters, and again, this is for transitioning to fall and to winter. Here's my light down jacket. I have 1 beanie, 2 long sleeve shirts, just like a basic white shirt and a basic striped shirt. This is my rain jacket, a denim shirt. So I hope you kind of get a good feel that I can mix and match a lot of these outfits. I have 1 pair of tennis shoes, a pair of boots that are pretty dirty still from Burning Man, 2 pairs of high heels for summer. I have a pair of sliders, flip-flops, and these I typically work in. Closed-toed casual shoes, fall heels, and then last but not least, rock climbing shoes. Here is my storage unit. It is the smallest storage unit option available at 5x9, and I pay $100 a month. So in the front of the storage unit, I strategically place 3 items: clothes and shoes, outdoor gear, and this blue cabinet. Now the blue cabinet has business supplies in it, like my cards, my taxes, my accounting items. Then there are 3 bins of clothes broken up into everyday clothes for different seasons, winter clothes, coats, fleece pullovers, hats, gloves, scarves. Then there's a bin for work clothes. I didn't throw out a bunch of work clothes because they're perfectly good, expensive work clothes. In the back of the storage unit, I keep a sofa, mattress, and chair that I've had since I was young. Now I kept staple household items just in case of an emergency, just in case suddenly something went awry and I needed to move into an apartment fast. Then I don't have to go out and buy a sofa and buy a mattress and buy those staple items that are expensive. What I like about the storage unit is that it allows me to have options. Every time I go in there, I feel like I'm a little bit on a shopping spree, but it's a free shopping spree. I don't have to pay. It's kind of like finding treasures. You're like, oh, I like that dress. I'm gonna take that dress with me. But I have a rule. The amount of items that I take out of the storage unit and put in the van, I have to find the same amount of items to put back into the storage unit or to put in the Goodwill pile. Here is where I need you to come in. I need your vote on what we're gonna cover next Sunday. So there are 2 options I thought of. Would you like to see how I plan meals and what food I buy? My fridge is right here and it's pretty small. It holds about a week's worth of food. So there is an art to grocery shopping. Or would you like to know how much in maintenance costs I've spent on the Sprinter so far? Let me know in the comments below or message me on Instagram. As always, safe travels.